The graphics card industry has always been a battlefield of innovation, performance, and raw power. From Nvidia's legendary RTX series to AMD's bold Radeon challengers, every new generation of GPUs brings fresh competition, more features, and higher expectations. But in 2025, the GPU landscape is being shaken to its core.
Why?
Because AMD has just unveiled something that could change the game entirely. The Radeon RX 9070 XT. Yes, you read that right. The 9070 XT is being hailed as the fastest GPU of 2025, even surpassing Nvidia's most powerful cards. And if the leaks and performance benchmarks are to be believed, AMD might finally have built a true titan, one that doesn't just compete with Nvidia but actually overtakes it in several critical areas. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So what makes the AMD 9070 XT so shocking, so revolutionary, and so powerful? Let's break down every detail, from architecture to performance, and see why this graphics card is dominating headlines in 2025. Before diving into the 9070 XT itself, it's important to understand the context. For years, Nvidia has dominated the high-end GPU market. Cards like the RTX 4090 set performance records and made PC gaming enthusiasts drool with 4K ray tracing and AI-powered upscaling. AMD's Radeon lineup, while solid, often fell short at the very top tier, winning mostly on value rather than raw supremacy. But with the 9000 series Radeon GPUs, AMD is signaling that it's no longer content to play catch-up. Instead, it's aiming for the crown, and the 9070 XT may be the card that finally delivers. At the heart of the 9070 XT lies AMD's brand new RDNA 5 architecture. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, RDNA 5 offers massive transistor density, enabling more cores and higher efficiency. Improved compute units, CUs, with upgraded ray accelerators. Next-gen AI cores designed to rival Nvidia's Tensor cores for upscaling and machine learning tasks. Enhanced Infinity Cache with much higher bandwidth for smoother frame delivery. RDNA 5 is not just an incremental update, it's a complete reimagining of how AMD GPUs handle modern workloads. The result? Performance numbers that are shocking the industry. Early benchmarks of the AMD 9070 XT show jaw-dropping numbers. 4K Ultra Gaming. The 9070 XT consistently delivers over 120 FPS in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Phantom Liberty, Starfield, and Alan Wake 2. Ray tracing, long considered Nvidia's strength, AMD has now closed the gap. With RDNA 5's upgraded ray accelerators, the 9070 XT achieves near parity, and in some cases even surpasses, the RTX 5090. AI performance. Thanks to new AI cores and advanced upscaling technology, dubbed Fidelity FX AI+, AMD is taking the fight to Nvidia's DLSS. Gamers are reporting ultra-sharp images with minimal artifacts. Power efficiency. Despite its power, the 9070 XT draws less energy than the RTX 5090, thanks to the 3nm process and AMD's focus on performance per watt. In short,